चरणबद्ध तरीके से दम घटने के लिए कदम उठाया जाए। सभापति महोदया, ये मुद्दा केवल सुविधा का नहीं है, ये मुंबई के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा।
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to participate in the discussion to introduce the Oil Field Regulation Development Amendment Bill 2024. Expanding scope of mineral oils, the major highlight of the Oil Field Regulation and Development Amendment Bill 2024 is the expansion of the definition of mineral oils. This includes the hydrocarbons such as shale gas, coal bed methane, alongside crude oil and the natural gas. The risk of over-exploitation of resources, the expanded definition of mineral oils could encourage rapid exploitation of unconventional resources like shale gas, leading to the resource depletion and ecological imbalances. The integration of renewable energy projects, the bill proposes the forward-looking measures to prevent the renewable energy projects like solar and wind power within the oil fields. This provision represents the commendable efforts to integrate sustainability into the energy sector. Centralization of regulatory power. The bill grants extensive authority to the central government for the rule making and the dispute education. Although the bill introduces the alternative dispute resolution (ADR) mechanisms, and the absence of clear timelines and procedural guidelines could lead to the prolonged disputes and deterring investment in the sector. The well-defined framework is essential to prevent the delays in the oil field operations and instill investor confidence. The Oil Fields Regulation and Development Amendment Bill 2024 represents the progressive step in addressing India's energy challenges. However, integrating the clear regularity boundaries and strengthening the environmental safeguards and the promoting local community benefits are the crucial for its effective implementation. I would urge the central government to consider these recommendations to make the bill most robust and inclusive. With this, YSR Congress Party support this bill. Thank you, ma'am.